Kindly raise your right hand, please. Sir, do you swear or affirm under penalty of law that the testimony that you're about to give is the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Would you kindly state your name, your title, and the agency you represent?
My name is James R. Stump. I'm the Governor's legal counsel and also the contracting officer for the Office of Capital Improvement.
Thank you, Mr. Stump. And Mr. Stump, do you understand why you've been asked to come before this committee?
No, I haven't been told specifically, no.
Do you understand that this matter pertains to Article 9 of House Resolution 17111 regarding the sole source contract for the Saipan Development LLC?
Yes.
Yeah, basically that's what we will be discussing this morning, or rather soliciting any information each witness may have on this matter. Mr. Stump, you said you are the Governor's legal counsel?
That's correct.
Are you also a member or staff of the Attorney General's office?
Yes, in regards to matters of finance.
What about for what you said, you are the contracting officer for capital CIP projects, is that correct?
That's correct, Mr. Chairman.
Is the contract for a power purchase agreement a capital improvement project?
Mr. Chairman, I'm involved in the 702 capital improvement projects, and so this would not be considered part of those funded projects.
Okay, so that means you are not the contracting officer in this regards.
That's correct.
Thank you. Were you involved or did you participate in the review of the contract for Saipan Development LLC?
Mr. Chairman, I saw the contract. I did a quick review of it and gave my comments to Gilbrin Bridge and Mr. Buckingham.
You stated you saw the contract, meaning you were provided a copy of the contract to review, at least the draft contract at the time.
I saw, I think my focus was really on one of the documents. I can't really remember which one. I saw one document and I looked at that. There were numerous documents, I understand. I saw one document, reviewed it, and gave my comments.
And you don't know which document you reviewed?
It was, I believe it was the PP Power Purchase Agreement. I believe it was that one. When I gave my comments, I returned the document to Mr. Burnbridge.
We have materials that were provided by CUC, but do you recall the date of your review? And so we can reference which document here, if it is even in here, that we should be looking at?
I believe the date of my review, no, I don't have that, Mr. Chairman. I believe it was the power purchase agreement. I believe that's what I looked at, and it was my review was rather quick and limited.
So do you have a copy of your review, your report of your review?
No, I gave it to, Mr. Chairman, I gave it to Gil Burnbridge with my comments on it.
And you did not keep a copy of your either email? Did you email it?
No, he came to my office and I gave it to him personally because it was, I had comments marked in issues that I wanted him to consider.
Mr. Stump, because maybe for us to better understand which document you're referring to, maybe do you think you can just give us, based on your recollection, what comments you made? Some of the more significant ones, I guess.
Well, in summary, my comments to Mr. Burnbridge and to Mr. Buckingham was that it was a very technical agreement and that they should directly involve CUC. With that, they brought in Alan Fletcher to be part of the process, and then my involvement stopped. So my involvement was limited to, I took a look at it, I said it was a technical agreement, very complex, and that they should have direct input of CUC. And with that, my involvement stopped.
Mr. Stump, I guess being an attorney and all, and a contract is a legal document, did you take a look at the provisions of the contract in terms of the form and capacity of the contract?
No, those were in the areas of form and capacity is a role of the Attorney General. Mine was mainly to look at specific issues in the structure of it, and I could see at that point, and that's why I recommended that CUC have direct involvement with the process.
That's a good recommendation. Obviously, it has to do with the power plant, so you would need the technical expertise, engineers and whatnot to review the contract. But I'm trying. So what was your role in reviewing the contract?
My role was very limited. I think I only saw it. I think my involvement was to do that initial review, and I made the recommendation that, as I stated, that CUC become involved because of the impact on the utility and the technical nature of it. So my role was very, very limited.
Mr. Stump, did you look at the part of the contract or provisions of the contract that had to do with the CNMI's responsibilities under the contract?
Well, as they were laid out in that one document, the PPA, and yeah, I looked at all the different areas in the contract and made comments.
Can you give us some of your comments?
I turned them over to Mr. Burnbridge. I don't have them here with me. I did not retain a copy.
Thank you. Short recess.